English World. Today, we are going on a fun adventure with the letter U. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, this is the letter U. Can you say U with me? U, great job! Now, let's find some amazing things that start with U. This is an umbrella bird. It has a funny umbrella-shaped crest on its head. Can you say umbrella bird? Here is an Uriel. It's a wild sheep with big, curly horns. Hello, Uriel. Can you say Uriel? This is an ugly fruit. It looks a little bumpy, but it is sweet and juicy inside. Can you say ugly fruit? This is a unicycle. It has only one wheel. Wow, it takes great balance to ride a unicycle. Can you say unicycle? This is a U-boat. It is a special kind of submarine used underwater. Can you say U-boat? Wow, this is Uranus. It is a giant, icy planet that spins on its side. Can you say Uranus? This is a U-shape. It looks like a big, happy smile. Can you say U-shape? Wow, we learned so many fun words that start with U today. Let's say them one more time. You did an awesome job. Give yourself a big clap. Remember to keep exploring and learning new words. See you next time on Happy English World. Bye-bye.